Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 11a, in which we will learn the makhraj of Dad. How to say it? Touch the right edge of the tongue, shown in green there, to the right edge of the roof of the mouth, shown in green. Or touch the left edge of the tongue, shown in green, to the left edge of the roof of the mouth, shown in green. Or touch both edges of the tongue to both edges of the roof of the mouth, shown in green. For ease, let us take just one edge. I am taking the right edge. If you're finding it difficult, do it in 2 steps. Scratch the right edge of the tongue with your finger so you can feel the area of the tongue that has to be touched. So you have control. Otherwise, you don't know where it is, in case you find it difficult. And scratch the right edge of the roof of the mouth with your finger. Then you will feel the area that has to be pressed with your tongue. Then say da, da, da. Okay? Or ad, ad, ad. Now, it is also amazing that the shape of the bulb of Dad is similar to the shape of the tongue, because Dad is also very thick and high. Please note that if you have problems in the practice, do it for some days. Do it for some minutes every day, but don't give up. It may take some days or weeks, but inshallah you will get it. Try to practice this especially when you are free and alone while walking, driving, or doing household work. The common mistakes are, don't say it as za or da or va or dwa. Don't say that. So let us practice. Repeat after me. Ad, 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 da, di, du, da, di, du, da, di, du, dan, din, dun, dan, din, dun, dan, din, dun. Let's take some words now. Adhaka, adhaka. Again. Adhaka. Dallin, dallin. Again. Dallin. Diya, diya, diya. Maghdubi, maghdubi, maghdubi. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.